Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to Science Club with BASF. I'm Lily. I'm here with Lauren Phillips from BASF. Today, we're going to grow potatoes in a plastic bag. Here are the items that you'll need.
Put your potatoes in a warm spot for about a week to give time for the sprouts to form. If your sprouted potatoes are large, cut them into chunks, making sure there are 2 or more sprouts on each chunk. Once cut, let them sit for a few more days before planting.
We'll put the garbage bag in the box, cut some holes in the plastic for drainage, and then put your box in a sunny spot.
Fill the bag with 18 inches of compost and soil. Bury your sprouts about 5 inches deep, and water, and wait. Once the shoots are 6 inches tall, add more soil and compost so that just the leafy tops show through the soil. Keep doing this until the shoots start to flower. It'll take 2 to 3 months. Once your plants have flowered, slow watering so that your new potatoes don't get overly saturated. You can harvest in as little as 2 weeks.
Go to abc11.com/Science Club to find more and visit us on Facebook. Thanks for watching Science Club with BASF.